Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer and prayer warrior. And all you need today is just your faith and a good attitude and the joy of the Lord, because it is your strength. Father, you're the greatest, and we love you and we bless you. And Father, I thank you for your favor and your blessing on your daughters in their households. In Jesus' name. Okay, ladies, we're going to do a standing mobility routine. So like I said, you don't need anything. So let's do this. As always, ladies, thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this workout, do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, and share with another person. And I'll see you in the next workout. God bless first. I love you. And if you want to try different workouts, you can look at my playlist or go to my description box and click on a link tree that'll lead you to all the other sisters of the Core Kingdom Collective. So until next time, God bless. Love you. Bye.